Hi, we're back, and now I'm going to show you how you can use the Leap Focus app for your work. So from here, we're going to click the Create a Plan button and just label this work. Now we're going to set the time frame for this plan, and I'm just going to do today's date to next year. Now we're going to set which days and then the specific times during each day we want to focus on work. So now I've put in all of the days that I want to focus on work, and I've set it from 9 to 5 of each day. And then at the bottom, I'll show you that you're spending 32 hours on work. And this doesn't mean that you will use the focus timer throughout that time frame, but you can just use this as also scheduling when you want to be focusing on work. And then between those times, you could use the focus time if you'd like to. So then when we go on to the scheduling page, you're going to see that there are no tasks planned for today or this week. That is because when we scheduled when we want to focus on work, it all happened on the days that were next week and beyond. And so you're going to find it in the This Month tab, or if you click the little arrow that goes to the right, you can see future weeks, future days as well. So this is the progress page, and it's just going to show you how much time you spent for work. So as you use that Pomodoro timer, it's going to start calculating that, and you're just going to see how much time you spent working. And when you go onto the scheduling page, you can actually add quick notes for the days that you have assigned work time. So you can use this to set specific tasks you want to accomplish that day relating to work, and you can use the focus timer for those tasks. For example, right here, I'm making a note to send out 5 work emails that day. And you can create bullet points to help you better organize your notes. So that's about it. And once you start using that focus timer, you'll be able to track your progress through the progress page and see how much time you're spending on work. Thanks for watching.